Very warm welcome to our beloved children. Feeling happy to reach you all in this special assembly. Hope you all are keeping good health and stamina during this global pandemic situation. I assume you all are enjoying the online classes and acquiring good knowledge through online teaching. So get ready for prayer, children. Fold your hands, close your eyes. Prayer song by School People Leader.
Hi Sneha.
Hi Bhuvya. Today there is virtual assembly for us all.
Okay, but what is this virtual assembly?
We cannot attend to the assembly physically right now due to the present conditions. So we are going to conduct our assembly virtually through the technology.
Oh, that's really good to listen.
Now let us begin devotionally with a prayer song by Prasad 9th class D section.
Thank you, Prasad. Now, national song by Kirtana, 9th B.
वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलं मातरं वन्दे मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
Thank you. Now it is a time to take Indian pledge by Vinutna 9th class D section.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. Shall I give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being, to prosperity and honors my happiness.
Thank you, Vinutna. Now, Montessori pledge by Tanmayu, 9th A.
We are the children of Montessori. Montessori is a temple of learning. We love our school and we are proud to be the part and particle of Montessori. In our body, mind and spirits, we always think of speaking in English. We will inspire our children to converse in English, communication with other children and enhance our confidence levels. We will improve our spoken skill to become a good orator and enhance the price and corners of the India to this nook and corners of the world. We will develop our competitive spirits through co-curricular activities, our aim, our ambition, our action, always to bring glory to our school, Montessori.
Thank you, Tanmayu. Now let us get some daily information through our students.
Hello everyone, this is Neha and I'm going to read news. National news. Parliament session cancelled to await discussion on key issues, says Shiva Sena. BJP mission Bengal. Host of ministers including Amit Shah to visit West Bengal. Supreme Court refuses to interfere with HC order quashing detention of Kafil Khan under NSA. State news. CCTV footage of murder in Ongole near Gandhi Park is circulating. AP TDP President Achennaidoo called on 5 crore Andhras to support Amaravati as a capital. Jai Amaravati slogan in Raipudi. Weather news. It was 30 degrees Celsius in Ongole and it was cloudy in Ongole, Tirupati, Nellore, Produttur and Hindupur. And all the other cities are with clear sky. Sports news. India announced official bid for 2027 AFC Asian Cup. Olympian Manoj Kumar seeks PM Narendra Modi's urgent intervention to save Boxing Federation of India. Thank you.
Hello, this is Jahnavi from 9th class D section. Now I am going to say about the importance of the day. Minority Rights Day in India. Minority Rights Day in India is observed on 18 December to preserve and promote the rights of minority communities in India. This day focuses on issues like the safety of minorities in the state. On this day, several campaigns, seminars and events are conducted to inform and educate people about.
Greetings viewers, this is Medha from 9th grade. I hope you're all doing fine in these life-threatening times. Today I'm going to explain to you about some of the safety measures to take to be safe from COVID. Okay, first of all, use a mask, a face cover. Any mask is fine as long as it is not stabbed with pencil or needle, because you know that is a childish act. And second of all, wash your hands with hand sanitizers and etc. because we need to kill the virus as soon as it lands on our hands. We don't want it to spread our body and take advantage of an oblivious state. Do we? We don't. We don't want to get COVID. And third one, maintain a safe social distance between anyone, everyone. Because even if they're not coughing or sneezing, they might have a cold. So I recommend you to not hug your friends as soon as you see them. That's dangerous. And fourth one, do not touch your eyes, mouth or nose because it's obvious. You don't want the virus in your hands to spread to your face. Then it will have easy passage to your stomach and then we'll get ruined. And if you are about to sneeze or cough, then I recommend you to use a tissue or your elbow, a part of your body, if you don't have any tissue. Last but not least, if you're feeling sick, then go visit a doctor. Obviously, because that's a common sense. But if you don't want to visit the doctor because you are scared of hospitals, then I'll recommend you to just stay at your home in quarantine. And if you're feeling any of the symptoms like dizziness, fever, cold, cough, and etc., then take a test to check if you got the COVID or not. Okay? And if anyone who is actually fighting with COVID is watching this, be strong. The whole country roots for you. Stay safe. You're much stronger than you think. And thank you for giving me this opportunity and your attention. Bye.
Now, let us end our assembly with the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Okay, it's time to leave. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.